Hello, my name is Chris, and on the last video we were on 15. We've just created all of our custom buttons, and we're heading on to 16. And let's get started. Using single variable buttons. After creating the buttons, click on the next text formula above and press the single variable buttons to the right. After pressing the button, type 1 parentheses, then press Alt. Okay, we've just reused the buttons we've created earlier, the single variable buttons. Let's head on to the next one. Using multivariable buttons. After creating the buttons, click on the text formula above and press the multivariable button. After pressing the button, replace each variable A, G, and H with any number, and then press Alt. Okay. So the multivariable buttons created 3 variables, and 3 variables has to be replaced with their value in order to calculate the expression with their value. Okay. Using constants. Click on the formula text above. Press the creating constants button to the right. Click on the added text and press Alt. Press the save button to the right to load them later, or press Ctrl S to quick save the formula. To quick save the formula along with the buttons. Note: quick save will create a custom buttons. So let's quick save this. Ctrl S. Okay. Next one. Exporting. Export test. Okay, from 1. Note: the new lines N1 and N2 keeps the new lines from N1 to N2. So the N1 and N2 keeps the new line from N1 to N2. So when you need a new line, you want to write down. Okay, hold on. Right click this formulas bar to go to the export tab. Click save text. Result N1 N2. Without N1 and N2, each line is turned into a single line. This keeps the new line after here. This will be omitted from the saved text. These keep the new lines between N1 and N2 sections, but X1 through 2 can remove a new line. So what it's saying here is that N1 and N2 is going to keep the new lines when you export, and X1 and X2 is going to omit or remove text, and on the export section there's an option to remove new lines, and the reason why N1 is there is to keep the new lines that needs to be removed. That's going to be removed. Okay, and that's it for today. And that's all the tutorial. And on the next video, we're going to quickly go through the tutorial notes and some of the tutorial notes, and thank you for watching.